Hello everyone, my name is Georgiana and today we have Lenka with us to talk about the student recruitment process through SMS Higher Education Group. Hello.
Hi everyone, I am Lenka. I am the Senior Marketing and Recruitment Officer here at SMS Higher Education Group. I represent EU, international and home students.
Now can you talk a little bit more about the student finance process?
Yes, student finance is a very important part of the process because this is what providing the students with all the financial background. Two parts we can apply, we are assisting to apply, which is maintenance loan and the tuition fee loan. Now, those students who are already having a settled or pre-settled status, they are able to apply for full funding. But of course, there are requirements. They have to provide certain documents according to their working places and residency status.
Okay, so that's based on the residence.
Of course.
And their history. So what kind of difficulties have you had so far with students, and how have you been able to fix them?
Yes, sometimes there are certain issues we find. For example, difficulty to communicate with the students. For example, the student is working all the time and it's very difficult to us to get in touch with the applicant. So then we keep emailing and messaging until the applicant understands that he needs to reallocate a time for to follow through with our process. Okay. So this is one of the issues. Or sometimes they are not sending the required documents. Then we also get in touch, email, text messaging, and we are asking the applicants to provide all the necessary documents.
Okay, thank you so much. And I would also like to ask you, what kind of advice do you have in terms of, this EU settlement scheme, like with the pre-settle or settlement?
Yes, at the moment, everybody can apply until June, end of June of this year, for pre-settlement. So once they have that, they are secured. But after that, it's a possibility, in fact, we know from official sources that there will be visa required to study in the UK, which will be, it's going to be a visa process that needs to be applied for the country of origin to come to study in the UK.
Thank you so much for your time and for sharing with us your experience. And I would like to ask you if you have any advice for the prospective students.
Of course, they can come to visit us anytime in our office. If they have any issues with academic requirements, with financial problems, they can always come. We have our expert team here who can help them guide them through the process and help them with applications.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
You're welcome.